Yakhona ngenzeka ukuthi asikho ready for lama conversations kanje, kodwa ke ngelinye lamalanga kuyofanele siqonde ukuthi i-development ey'ndaweni zethu singabantu abamnyama ixoshwa yithi. Omunye kuzobuza ukuthi kanjani? I-development ixoshwa yithi through i-behavior, through i-lifestyle esiyiphilayo, through i-environment esizicreate-ela yona ey'ndaweni esisuke sihlezi kizo singabebaleni besholo. Angithi-ke manje la sifike silahle khona isekutheni all the time uma sicabanga nge-development or mhlawumbe uma sikhuluma nge-development, we are only thinking about i-government. We are only thinking about the government, only to forget ukuthi i-government phela ayizi ne-major development endaweni. They only come with i-foundation. I-foundation-ke unayo noma unayo, that doesn't mean u-developed. Uma uzo-understand i-foundation yendlu nganayo, bese kunemvula unethe ngani ngoba awunalo uphahla, awunayo i-roof. So it doesn't mean ukuthi khona into nayo uma une-foundation. Kodwa i-foundation wakhela phezu kwayo. Uma wakha phezu kwayo. Ibalekile. Yini-ke i-foundation kulokho kuza no-government, njengoba ngithi iza ne-government. Iyini-ke i-foundation? Yabona indawo uma yanomgwaqo. Indawo yanomgwaqo, yaba namanzi, yaba nogesi. Kuba lula for i-major development ukuthi ifike izokwakhela phezu kwalezi zinto lezi. Uma ngabe i-foundation ayikho, i-major development angeke ikwazi ukuthi ibe khona. So, endaweni zethu esikhathini esiningi zikhona lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo. Ukhona ugesi, akhona amanzi, ukhona futhi umgwaqo. You understand? Kodwa i-development ayikho. Yini? It's because osomabhizinisi, angithi la njengoba ngikhuluma ngabatshali beyimali, ama-investors. Labantu laba abantu abawosomabhizinisi, when they look at indawo yini, they're thinking about i-profit. They're thinking about i-survival kulezo ndawo lezo. So, what they do before bazofaka bazotshala imali endaweni yini, they do thorough research about leyo ndawo leyo. Ukuthi whatever they are coming with, is it gonna survive ile ndawo le? They do thorough research, they survey your place. They analyze your place. It's not that they are going to just look at your place ubuhle bendawo kuphela ukuthi hayi cha yinhle yona yabona. No. They will even go to a point whereby they check umuntu ophila khona ukuthi yena uyabona. So, kulapho ke la ungena khona wena as a person. Uma kukuthi bazothi mabenza bona uphenyo labo bethola ukuthi la kule ndawo le i-lifestyle yakhona, it's bullshit. You understand? I-mindset yakule ndawo le, uyabona? Mahlakahlakana nje, it's bullshit. You understand? Becheke bethola ukuthi environment ecreate kule ndawo le, it's bullshit. Then i-development senixoshile kanjalo. But the problem is they will never come and tell you ukuthi you must change 1 2 3. No. Labantu osomabhizinisi bayamove, bayaphambili, bayarolla. They keep on rolling. So, bacheke ezinye indawo abazofike betshale khona imali, abazofike betshale khona imali yabo ekuzoba suitable for amabhizinisi abazowatshala kuleyo mali leyo. Kusho ukuthi nina kuleyo ndawo leyo yini senilahle amathuba angcono asondelene nani. Because as much as they think about the profit, angithi osomabhizinisi, they don't care about you. As much as they think about a profit, but they are forced to use you. Kumele kube wena umuntu ozosebenza ubenefit ngale nto abazoyifaka la kuleyo ndawo leyo. So if sebehamba sebeyakude kusho ukuthi wena sewulahlekela ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but ngeke uze wazi ngoba angeke beze bekutshela. Angeke wazi ngoba ngeke uzotshela. Wena into ozoyibona uzobona indawo yakhe ingaqhubeki. Uzobona indawo enhlezi kuyona ingaqhubeki, ingakhuli, ingayiphambili. I feel government anenze lokho enikufunayo, emgwaqo nani yabo izinto ezikanjalo. But i-development, impilo, i-function, indawo yena i-function, it's not functional. Why? It's because of i-behavior yenu. Nixoshile i-development not knowing ukuthi niyayixosha. You understand? It's because of the environment eniyicreatile kuleyo ndawo, not knowing ukuthi nixosha i-development. Uyabona once indawo yaba negebengu, zase glorify abantu, igebengu zathandwa abantu bakuleyo ndawo leyo, bayihlonipha, bayinikeza irespect, iyo yonke into echeckwa abatshali beyimali yonke leyo ukuthi ubugebengu le ndawo bahamba kanjani uyabona ba-aware ukuthi indawo nendawo ingaba negebengu vele uyabona ba-aware about that kodwa once becheck bethole ukuthi nina igebengu la niyaziglorify nina igebengu la niyayithanda ni rabana nazo ama-shoulder nina igebengu la nizinikeza isithunzi uya understand phela ukhumbula ukuthi usomabhizinisi umuntu oza nemali ngisho ngathi kuthiwe naye uyisigebengu kodwa unefiye yezinye igebengu because whatever yena akazoyenza la uze ngesihla ngithi kusho ukuthi is capable lezi igebengu ezinye kumqumba phansi we understand ene yena akabhekanga ifailure ubheke isuccess ufuna ukusucceed akabhekanga ini ukufail so kusho ukuthi i-development seniyixoshile ningabantu akekho ugovernment ongafika endaweni ezonibuildela imall mangabe ngenayo abakwenzi lokho government yes bengaba mhlambe in charge but basuke behamba nosomabhizinisi somehow uyabona bekwazi ukuthi beconvince bona ukuthi le ndawo lesicela ukwenze ukuthi nokuthi yabona bekwazi ukushela osomabhizinisi kodwa hayi ukuthi kuzi government specifically kuthiwe kunemall yakhe wayi government la uyangithola so uwe wena umuntu ekumele urepresent indawo yakho ngendlela eright okumele urepresent indawo ohlezi kuyona ngendawo eright so thina singabantu abamnyama we need to represent indawo zethu ngendlela eright we need to respect lokho sekuncane sesinakho leyo foundation esifike negovernment we need to respect it we need to behave understand we need to create i-environment healthy for noma imuphi usomabhizinisi othi mayibuka indawo yethu acabanga ukuza nebusiness ayithande yini ingoba uthanda ini i-environment ecreatewe labantu uthanda i-behavior yabo uthanda i-mindset abanayo because mayibuka yena uyibona ukuthi it's functional whatever that I'm going to come with this place is going to be functional therefore I'm going to be able to survive I'm going to be able to make a profit but who's going to benefit out of all that it's you as a person it's you umuntu wakuleyo ndawo leyo you understand okunakusisa ukuthi kwezinye indawo eziphila abantu bezinye inhlanga kulula ukuthi indawo zabo zidevelop because once kuba nama establishment ukuthi indawo bayayiqhubha benza ini bayabona bakhanda ama settlement there and there yabo kulula for osomabhizinisi ukuthi bekazi ukuhamba botshala imali bekhanda mhlambe let me say for example bekhanda i-shopping center kuleyo ndawo leyo kufika izitolo zisondele eduzane nani nikwazi ukuthola ama services alright eduze nani you understand kulula for bona ukuthi bekwenze kwezinye inhlanga why because they will behave themselves they will behave themselves they respect indawo yabo they respect themselves they create a good environment endaweni zabo so it doesn't take isikhathi eside ukuthi uloku busy wenze research ngabo ba analyze there and there no you just take opportunity uma ubona opportunity okay le ndawo iya spread ithola lokho nalokho 1 no 2 no 3 thatha le opportunity le uhambe uyofaka whatever ufuna ukuyifaka lapho whatever the business ufuna ukuyifaka lapho whatever shopping center or mall enifuna ukuyenza lapho niyenza into yenu niqala ukusebenza kubenefit in it's because we let endaweni right it's not going to fail but kwezethu indawo also my business they have fear abezi githi they have fear okunakusisa ukuthi thina lahlezi khona indawo zethu usuke mumethu umthamo omkhulu kabo abantu of which lokho kuyi good advantage kumuntu ofuna ukuza ngebusiness lakhe lapho kuyi good advantage ukuthi indawo zethu mumethe umthamo wabantu abaningi kodwa kunzima ukuthi sidevelop kunzima ukuthi kwenzeke lokho because they check on our behavior they check i-environment esikiyo esesicreateile thina ezabantu abakuleyo ndawo leyo they check izinto eziningi esingazinakanga and then bese kuba amanqeqanqe ukuthi sithole ini i-development i-government ayikwenzi konke lokho i-government iza nezinto nje ezimbalwa yazi government mayikhuluma nge-development izokhuluma ngehholo kuthiwe seliyavulwa kuzomeya ubani kuzovulwa nje ihholo angitshela ukuthi ihholo wena-ke wenzani-ke ngehholo what do you benefit kulelo hholo uqashwa bani osebenza ehholo we understand into ezenziwa ama-government lezo kukhulunywa ngama-bridge i-bridge nyane encane okhanda i-bridge emsangane balivule kube indume ezulu lento ngathi bayize nento enkulu kanti yi-bridge nje enyane kodwa i-development okuyiyona ezoba functional okuyiyona ezoba beneficiary kuwe wena as a person ophila kuleyo ndawo iqhamuka nosomabhizinisi abatshali beyimali. Iyona ke le wena kumele wena uyicabange uma ukhuluma ngedevelopment, kodwa iqala kuwe as a person. You need to love indawo ohlala kuyona, you need to respect yourself, you need to learn to create i-environment healthy ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi u-adopte ini i-development from abatshali beyimali. I thank you.